Locally owned and operated, Wayne and Dave's Automotive has offered high-quality auto repair in Lancaster since 1988. We service all makes and models of import and domestic cars, trucks, and SUVs, completing everything from oil changes and scheduled maintenance to complex transmission and engine repair. Our shop uses state-of-the-art computer diagnostic and repair tools to quickly identify the issue you're having with your vehicle. Then we use quality replacement parts to get you back behind the wheel in a fast and affordable manner. When you need auto repair in Antelope Valley, bring your car to Wayne and Dave's Automotive. Our friendly ASE Certified staff of mechanics will be glad to help you with any problem your vehicle is having. Call us today or visit our website to learn more about our services and see our special offers.